The movie Gear is an average movie, quite boring, you can say. It's about a guy who's an illegitimate child of Reena Roy, and who was found on temple premises when he was an infant. And Reena Roy was actually in love with another guy, but due to certain circumstances couldn't marry, so left the child, and instead her marriage happened with Amrish Puri, who happened to be a thorough gentleman in this movie, unlike other movies like Mr. India and etc. etc. And that child was Ajay Devgan, and Amrish Puri actually embraced the child with open arms and reared him as his own because he thought that he is very auspicious. Other village goers, especially the priest, he was throwing tantrums, and he said that it's a very bad luck that someone has actually left the child. So this child is uh, not auspicious. This child will bring some bad this may lead to some bad incident and all that. But Amrish instead said that you are absolutely wrong. He is very noble, and he will turn out to be a very kind and he will bring laurels to our family. And he basically became a very kind-hearted and hard-working businessman, and he did very good in the business. And Amrish was very happy to find him and considered him as his own son. And Reena was unaware of the fact that he's the illegitimate son. He is actually biological son of hers. And then on the other hand, his own son, Raja, who was abroad for 10 years, came back to India, but he seemed to be a very bad person with a bad character and and even his uncle, Paresh Rawal, whom he used to call Mama, also used to fuel oil in the fire. So both of them actually even did a lot of bad things, and basically this movie revolves around Ajay Devgan, and then he got in love with Raveena Tandon. Both of them planned to get married, and even this guy Raja also fell in love, but she didn't reciprocate his feelings because she herself was in love with Ajay. So basically, this movie revolves around Ajay Devgan, how he established the business, how he won the hearts of so many, and even he, Amrish, came to know about the son, about his biologically, like his wife's affair. But he was so considerate. It's very unlike that after knowing that your wife has an illegitimate son, you will still not be actually angry, infuriated. But in this movie, he accepted him with open arms, and the family united, and the matrimonial alliance also took place. And Raja was who tried to even hit his own mom and dad, learned a lesson only after Ajay actually saved his life in one of the scene where he was was about to be shot by Amrish, his own father, but he came in between, and the gunshot aimed at his arm, and the movie ended. So it's an average movie with average songs, a flop movie, you can say. 3 stars.